Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to talk about a question that is about counting. So there are 11 players in a soccer team who are asked to line up in one straight line for a photo, right? So 3 of the team players, Adam, Brad and Chris, cannot be arranged next to each other, and there's no restriction on the order in which the other team members arrange themselves, right? So find a number of different ways to arrange those 11 players. So my first question is, what is one way to arrange A, B, and C such that the rules will be violated in here, so refused to stand next to each other? That's right, you put 2 of them together, right? So this is what we're going to do. The first person, it could be either A, B, or C, will be by itself, separated by a person, and then B and C, C and A, or vice versa, can be together. Yes. So my second question is, how many ways to select one person out of 3, A, B, and C? That's right. There are 3 ways. Yes. So let's write it in here. 3 ways. My next question is, how many ways are there to arrange the remaining of A, B, and C? So let's say we have selected A and there are B and C left. How many ways to rearrange B and C? That's right, there are 2 ways to arrange B and C. So let's take 3 and multiply it by 2. Yeah? Next, how many ways to arrange those 2 players together out of the 9 spots? Let's see what that means. So after you have arranged, let's say Adam in the first position, separated by 1 person, as shown here, the remaining of the 3 players, Brad and Chris, will have to take up any 2 out of the 9 positions. Yes. And does the order matter in here? That's right, the order does matter. So do we choose combination or permutation? That's right, we choose permutation. So we are finding the number of ways to place those 2 players in the 9 positions, and the order does matter in here. So it is 9p2. Yeah? So let's write it here also, 9p2. Right? Because there are 9 spots in here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. And we are choosing 2 spots to place Brad and Chris. Yeah? And next, how many ways to arrange the remaining 8 players? That's right, it will be 8 factorial. Yes? So therefore it will be multiplied by 8 factorial. Yay! So we have set up the expression for finding the number of ways that either 2 of the 3 players will be together. To complete the discussion, let us also find some other ways that can violate this rule. The rule is, again, they refuse to stand next to each other, so they cannot be together. So let's put them together. Yes, that's right. So let me draw those players, different scenarios. Yeah. So now, the other way that can violate the rule is to put all 3 of them together, as we said. So let's do it. 3 together, yeah, that's one way. 3 together, shift to 1 to the right, that's the second way. And then shift 2, yeah, 3 together again, that's right. So how many ways are there? Yay, as you can see, there are 9 different ways, yeah, 9 ways. Yes, so let us write that. 9. Yeah? Also, how many ways are there to arrange A, B, and C if they are arranged next to each other? So it could be ABC, BAC, CBA, etc. That's right, there would be 3 factorial number of ways to do it. So let's write that. 3 times 3 factorial. And the last one is the same as before. How many ways are there to arrange the remaining 8 players? So there are 8 factorial. Yes, 8 factorial. So let's write that as well. So this is the number of ways to arrange Adam, Brad, and Chris together among the 11 players. Yes? And how many ways are there to arrange those 11 players? You probably have guessed it. It's no brainer in here. It's 11 factorial because there are 11 of these players. So, given the total amount and given the cases when the rule is violated, how many ways are there to arrange the 11 players such that Adam, Brad, and Chris are not together? Either two of them or three of them. That's why you take the complement, right? So therefore, this is what we write. 11 factorial minus, when three of them are together, yes, minus when only two of them are together. So that would be this guy right here. Yes. So that's it. If you crunch this into the calculator, it should give you the following results. There will be about 20 million ways to arrange them. Wow. That's a lot of ways. So that's it. In these type of questions, when you are asked for the number of ways that a group of objects, students, or players cannot be placed next to each other, it's impossible to find using the direct method. We would rather find the number of ways that would violate the rule and subtract that from the total number of ways in here. So this is what we do. So this is when A, B, and C are grouped together. And this is the number of ways when two of the A, B, or C are grouped together. Right? So that's it. Please go back to rewatch the video if you have any questions. Thank you.